My boots
what
came.
is
I'm
available?
super stoked. Ernest is on the phone, but I don't care. I'm gonna open the box anyway.
Just all streaming?
Are you helping, Hefe? Thanks.
Oh, so you just watch it from your phone and then stream it to the TV. Maybe.
My Furoshiki.
Yeah, I'm just curious.
Shiki?
I'm just curious how that
Furoshiki
works.
boots. I have the shoes. I love them. Oh my goodness. Now I have the boots. They have Vibram soles that are super grippy. These are ninja boots. Dude. Gotta unwrap them. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to hit you in the face. I'm just really excited. Okay, let's try these puppies on, and they're all neoprene inside. Look at that. Ooh. What they think? Oh, they sure do.
What do they got?
Oh, these are most bitchin'. Oh yeah.
You gotta do the Captain Morgan stance on the purple lid there. Captain Morgan. Come on. There you go. Arr.
Ta-da! Very nice.
Did you thank Hayden for it?
Oh yeah, and thanks Hayden. These are because you tried mine on, and I looked them up, and holy crap, these are great. Very good. Oh my gosh, yes. I can take over the world with these. All right, see you later.